Welcome to this tutorial on Internet Gateway in Amazon Web Services. In this video, we will explore how an Internet Gateway enables connectivity between your virtual private cloud and the Internet. This is a fundamental component of AWS networking that every cloud professional needs to understand. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to configure Internet Gateway to provide Internet access to your resources in AWS. An Internet Gateway is a horizontally scaled, redundant, and highly available component of your virtual private cloud. It acts as a bridge that allows communication between your VPC and the Internet. The Internet Gateway is a fully managed service by AWS, which means you don't need to worry about maintaining or scaling it. It supports both IP4 and IP6 traffic, providing flexibility for different networking requirements. One important rule to remember is that each VPC can have only one Internet Gateway attached to it. Additionally, the Internet Gateway has no bandwidth constraints, so your traffic can flow freely without performance bottlenecks. Let's understand the architecture of how Internet Gateway functions. On the left, we have your virtual private cloud, which is your private network in AWS. In the middle, we have the Internet Gateway, which acts as the gateway or door between your private network and the public internet. On the right side, we have the Internet, which represents the public network. The Internet Gateway enables bidirectional communication, meaning traffic can flow both ways. Resources in your VPC can send requests to the Internet, and external users can access resources in your VPC if properly configured. This simple yet powerful architecture is the foundation of Internet connectivity in AWS. To successfully enable Internet connectivity for your VPC, you need 4 essential components. First, you need an Internet Gateway that is attached to your VPC. Second, you must configure a route table with a route pointing to the Internet Gateway. Third, your instances must have public IP addresses assigned to them. Without a public IP, instances cannot communicate with the Internet. Fourth, you need to configure security groups and network access control lists to allow inbound and outbound traffic. All 4 components must be properly configured for Internet access to work. Let's begin the setup process. Step 1 is to create an Internet Gateway. Start by navigating to the VPC dashboard in the AWS Management Console. Next, select Internet Gateways from the left menu. Then, click on Create Internet Gateway. Finally, provide a meaningful name tag for your Internet Gateway and click Create. Once created, the Internet Gateway will appear in a detached state, which means it's not yet connected to any VPC. We will attach it in the next step. Step 2 is to attach the Internet Gateway to your VPC. This is a critical step because an Internet Gateway must be attached to a VPC to function properly. First, select the Internet Gateway you just created. Next, click on the Actions menu and select Attach to VPC. Then, choose the VPC you want to connect to the Internet and confirm the attachment. Once attached, the state of the Internet Gateway will change to Attached, indicating it is now ready to route traffic between your VPC and the Internet. Step 3 involves updating the route table for your public subnet. Navigate to route tables in the VPC dashboard. Next, select the route table that is associated with your public subnet. Then, go to the Routes tab and click Edit Routes. Finally, click Add Route to create a new routing rule. This route will direct Internet-bound traffic to the Internet Gateway. We will configure this route in the next step. Step 4 is adding the actual route to the Internet Gateway. For the destination, enter 0.0.0.0/0, which represents all IP addresses on the Internet. This is known as a catch-all route or default route. For the target, select your Internet Gateway from the drop-down menu. It will appear as IGWA followed by a series of characters. This route configuration tells your VPC to send all Internet-bound traffic through the Internet Gateway. Once you save this route, any instance in the associated subnet will be able to communicate with the Internet, provided it has a public IP address. For instances to communicate with the Internet, they must have a public IP address. There are 2 types of public IP addresses you can use. The first is an elastic IP address, which is a static public IP4 address that remains associated with your account until you release it. The second option is auto-assign public IP, which is a dynamic public IP4 address that AWS assigns automatically when you launch an instance. This address changes if you stop and restart the instance. Remember, without a public IP address, instances cannot communicate with the internet even if all other configurations are correct. Let's recap the key takeaways from this tutorial. First, the Internet Gateway enables bidirectional communication between your VPC and the internet, allowing traffic to flow both ways. Second, it is highly available and horizontally scaled by default, meaning AWS manages its reliability and performance automatically. Third, proper configuration requires both root table setup and public IP addresses for your instances. Fourth, always use security groups and network access control lists to control traffic flow and maintain security. With these configurations in place, your VPC is now internet-enabled and ready to host public-facing applications. Congratulations on successfully setting up Internet Gateway connectivity for your AWS Virtual Private Cloud.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.